So my name is Shaked, and I've been here in Kotare village and working with Koanga Institute for the last 4 years. And I'll talk a little bit about Biochar and what we've done lately. So if you haven't heard about Biochar, Biochar is an increasing trend, I could almost say, around the world, and it's all about increasing the ability of our soils to do better for us and in general. So we're increasing the cation exchange capacity in our soils, which means we're able to hold more moisture, we're able to hold more minerals, we're able to hold more microbes and really increase the ability to grow nutrient-dense food in our soils. This video is a bit more about corn kilns. So there is a specific way that any person can do. We can either dig a hole and develop them, or we can build one like you can see. And they are just the most versatile way of making biochar. The corn kiln comes originally from Japan, and the Ithaca Institute from Switzerland has done a lot of research and developed the design to be very, very efficient, very clean in terms of pollution, so hardly polluting at all, and making really high quality char. The way we would use the corn kilns, you see, is we'll start a really good, hot, strong fire in the middle at the bottom. And once that got going really well, we'll spread that around the bottom so that we're getting a good spread of the heat. At that point, we'll start adding layers of wood, as you can see in the pictures, layer by layer. And each time the layer we add is just as thick to start burning together, and not too thick to stop the fire from burning and really hot. So really, biochar is an amazing strategy we can use to increase the fertility of our soils, whether it's our forest gardens or our annual gardens or pasture. We can feed biochar to animals and increase milk production by a lot. So there's no doubt anymore that biochar can be an amazing application for our soils, increasing fertility. At each point, after every layer of wood is starting a little bit to ash, so when we start recognizing little spots of white on the wood, we know that there's no pyrolysis happening anymore. We know that there's no more gases coming out of the wood, and it's the carbon that's burning now. And that's our time to add the next layer on top. That means that the fire itself is what's protecting the biochar from burning. The fire is what's protecting the carbon from burning and becoming into ash. And so that's what a little bit different from the other techniques. As well, it gives us a lot of ability to add different size, different bits of wood, different thickness, and control really efficiently the ratio of and control really efficiently our ability to prevent unburnt wood and have our char properly processed in the fire.